you've ever wondered how much it costs to run a Shopify store, maybe you're on another platform and you want to move over to Shopify, you want to get a good idea of how much it costs to actually run or build a Shopify store to move over to the platform. Maybe you already have an existing Shopify website, but you want to add different third-party apps, you want to add additional things, and you want to get an idea of how much it will cost. I actually created a calculator. I'm going to put the link in the description below, that it helps give you an idea of how much it will cost to run your store. So feel free to follow along with the tool itself. Um, but here's pretty much how the app works. So you can use it to calculate your price. So you notice here first off, the basic Shopify plans here, whichever plan you click on, it actually updates your monthly cost. So Shopify has a whole bunch of different plans that you can choose from. So whichever plan, based on your usage, how many customers you're expecting, the features that you need, that's how you can determine which plan is right for you, and then also subsequently which cost range is going to be for you. So for this example, we'll keep it at the $29 a month. Now, if you're considering also adding Shop Pay, which users can, customers can use the Shop Pay feature to actually shop on your store, but that's also an additional expense as well, something to consider if you'd like to actually include it on your store. And if you don't know what Shop Pay is, we can actually just look that up right now, just to give you an idea, right? So if you notice here, customers can shop on Shop Pay. You can do it throughout different channels, integrate with different apps as well. So it's a pretty cool feature to look at if you want to learn more about Shop Pay. But it's a nice provision, nice tool by Shopify. If it's something you want to look into as well. And then of course we have our third-party apps. So Klaviyo for email marketing, if you want to add a tool for reviews, if you want to add any type of third-party tool, there's so many tools in the Shopify App Store that you can choose from. For this specific tool, I haven't had a chance to add, all the various apps out there, but this just gives you an idea of some of the more popular apps out there. So for instance, let's say you want to add ShopPay, you want to add Klaviyo for $20 a month. This means it's gonna cost you $64 a month to actually run your store. Now let's say you want to add Yachto as well. Calculate that. Now it's like $79 a month. Maybe you want to add the Judge app, $94 a month. So I just built this tool just to help give you as a merchant an idea of how much it's going to cost you to run your store. Feel free to play around with different numbers. I think a helpful feature, and feel free to send the email at david@zgdo.info if you think there's another helpful feature, or you can add it below. But I think if I added maybe like an empty box where you could test out a different price than maybe you've seen, just to see how much it would cost to run your store, it would add to this specific price here. I think that would be helpful as well. But yeah, I just wanted to help out, merchants such as yourself, whether you're moving from a different platform, you just want to get an idea of how much it costs monthly to run your store. Maybe you have a Shopify store and you have a good idea of how much it currently costs, but you want to maybe add another third-party app or something of that nature. You just want to get a good reference of how much that costs. So the link is in the description below if you want to be able to try the tool for yourself. But I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to again check out our website if you have any questions about Shopify. If you're looking to move over, you're looking to build your storefront, we'd be glad to help out as well. And then we also have a lot of helpful digital products as well, whether you're on Shopify or not. A lot of helpful digital products to help you run your online business. But if you have any questions, please feel free to either put them down below or send me an email, and I'll be glad to help out. But once again, hope this video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.